Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberts, the Daily Trader. It is October 27th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq. So VIX up 0.11, 0.4%, closed at 2739. So in terms of the patterns here, so we stayed below 2772. So this is a good sign for the bulls in itself. So it's continuing its descent along this downward channel. Let's just see when it stops and breaks the resistance. It might come at some point. Looking at Dow Jones is climbing a little bit higher, 0.61%, but still have a wick here, a longer wick at the top. So yes, it's moving up, but we are seeing the sellers come in. So maybe the sellers are starting to just get ahead of themselves just before we are getting close to this resistance. In terms of S&P, SPX, we are keeping in a little bit. So lower low and lower high. So maybe we are going to retest the support here. So this is what we need to check if we break support or not. And for Nasdaq, well, we have just broken outside of the bullish channel. Things are not looking super good. Yes, it's a very small break. We would need the second break to confirm that we are really out of this. Stochastic is quite low, just barely above 60. So maybe we are getting close to a little bit of a move down. So that's always possible. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.